Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video: claim your rewarded, claim rewarded and Google Pay to earn real money for save money and some your future stores. Share this lessons offer and rewarded. The Google Pay app a new feature is app update. The force is step many different depending on your our app version the right your location. Step 1 to of 7 to claim a rewarded. Open the Google Pay app and tap the target login. The claim rewarded you are need to OPT into Google Pay rewarded. Enroll on eligible card offer and active redeem and offer. People pay to friend groups. Step 2 of 7 at the top you are seen rewarded you are earned rewarded without cook icon have been redeemed and deposit into Google Pay balance. A redeem rewarded a clock icon be deposited to your Google Pay balance with 19 days and rewarded seen detail on Google Pay. Step 3 of 7 your cashback rewarded will be added your Google Pay balance or money with Google Pay once it is processed rewarded and usually visible within a few minutes but can something takes week more to be processed offer qualified purchase if you take up to 19 days for a cashback rewarded to deposit into money in Google Pay. Promote code discount for merchandise or apply directly cash out. 5.2.5% cashback. You are rewarded once way process cashback will be added to your Google Pay balance within 5 days. Step 4 of 7 some rewarded needed to be claimed to claim a gift webinar rewarded tap it explore to save explore ways to save total rewarded $10 $1 $5 more than views on with Google Pay. Step 5 of 7 this gift balance Google Pay up to 5% cashback just to gift box above reveal. Step 6 of 7 your claim rewarded will be added to your Google Pay balance or more money with Google Pay. $10 cashback Google Pay congratulations process rewarded and on September 8 for making payment your cashback should be added in few minutes but there's something takes up to 3 days. Cashback rewarded step 7 of 7 cashback rewarded will be dependent into your money in Google Pay your Google Pay balance to see your balance tip the money icon. I can take up to 90 days from cashback rewarded to unlock and deposit. After a cashback rewarded unlock it can take additional 48 hours for if you be deposit into money from a Google Pay improvement. Your money you have $5,451. You are spent money into Google Pay. Show all account recently improvement. If you have money in Google Pay balance, can withdraw your money in any time. Your money is Google Pay balance. Take off more lesson markets. $10, $10 offers and rewarded with Google Pay. You can earn rewarded when refer friend to pay Google Pay and get cashback or saving with your complete offers from particular merchandise. OPT and Google Pay rewarded and enroll on eligible card. You can start it on cashback discount and more qualified action by option to Google Pay rewarded fund offer and unrewarded take advice for offer form built area selling both online store is refill rewarded promotion and directly from Google Pay. Claim you are rewarded. Claim rewarded and Google Pay earn real money for save money at some of future store big lessons. OTP Google rewarded and enroll eligible cards. You can start earning cashback discount and more qualifying action by opting to Google Pay rewarded offer and rewarded this Google Pay apps a new frequently is app update before your step many dependent your version and region or location. 7 steps of any claiming. Step 1, the OPT in Google Pay rewarded. Open the Google Pay. Step 2, tap setting. Step 3, tap offer and rewarded personal information, notification and email, privacy and security, offers and rewarded about help and feedback, sign out. Step 4 of 7, the allow Google Pay to give cashback and rewarded turn unrewarded qualified action on if this settings is offer when to be eligible earn most rewarded refund rewarded unrewarded qualification action to give rewarded qualification will payment to additional this payment like cards issues bank if you don't available incorrect reward enrollment card it gets offer links Google Pay trust track and transaction card active of use balance add a new card by enroll cards allow Google saving or provide card links network Federal Limited Visa Master American Express share Enable card links offer Google Pay rewarded. See Google Payment. Step 5 of 7 to redeem card links made eligible cards turn off enrollment cards. Tap before your make source add card pay. Make source you have last card eligible for enroll. Offer tip most cards that are Visa, Master and American Experience eligible with few non-eligible experience. Step 7 of 7. You can new earn cashback rewarded by using enrolled cards. Iridium offer just make qualify purchase and pay with contact dependent your privacy setting offer your fund many basic your profile data location or activity Google Pay and access Google service manage your profiles and team your Google accounts. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon for latest mission update.